Tokidos!
Simon Says is an all-time classic. With PlayCubes, the game allows kids 3 to 5 to learn about colors and interesting shapes. Here's how it works.
Simon Says play!
The game can be played alone, in grown-up mode, or competitively as a group. We're gonna choose alone. When playing alone, you have to listen to the instructions and do as told.
Simon says, press the green.
But be careful and make sure you hear Simon Says.
Nice work! It's getting harder now.
Press the square.
Oh, it didn't say Simon Says. I didn't do it. Yes!
Simon says, press the frog.
Great!
When playing in the grown-up mode, the grown-up gets to ask any question they want. Like in this case, they can say, press the green circle 3 times and go under the table and come back. The grown-up can then choose to give a point or not to the player. In this case, I'm giving them a point. In group mode, players compete against one another. Whoever does what Simon says first gets a point. The first to 4 points wins.
Simon says, shake the flower 2 times.
This is one of my favorite games, especially with younger kids. You get to practice colors, shapes, and active listening, but you also get to be creative and silly.